DJ Sihle was on broadcast. She responded to people what happened last time. She was trending a lot on social media about Meda Wongs. Meda Wongs was cheating on her. DJ Sihle can't fake life or to lie to people. When she is not okay, DJ Sihle, she can keep quiet. But later, she can come on public and tell people that she is a human being. The difference is DJ Sihle is a public figure. Other people are not public figures, but we have got same problems in our lives. Thus, DJ Sihle respond to people. I love her response because she knows that when she started protecting Media Wongs, tomorrow Media Wongs will do ways more those things. So sometimes don't protect a man, because when you're trying to protect a man who doesn't love you, and DJ Sihle accept that Media Wongs doesn't love you, but they look like they are in relationship now, but she doesn't trust Media Wongs now. I love her response to people because she knows that when she is trying to lie to people, tomorrow will become worse, or she will get more embarrassed by Media Wongs. Because sometimes when you are trying to protect a man can embarrass you. You know that. So DJ Sihle now she is careful because now it happened twice in her life. It happened at the first time with AKA, and now it's Media Wongs. AKA embarrassed DJ Sihle because he was dating people she knows, her friends, but Media Wongs respect DJ Sihle because he was not dating people she knows than AKA. So DJ Sihle accept that men they are like that. If she decide to leave Media Wongs and move on with her life to find another man will do waste more than Media Wongs. So it's better to continue with that person. Maybe she can try to fix her relationship private. DJ Sihle said she is a human being. The problem is that she is a public figure. But DJ Sihle learned a lesson not to come to public to post everything you are doing with your husband, because your husband can embarrass you and it can trend a lot on social media. But when DJ Sihle doesn't post everything, or to buy a car for Media Wongs, that's why she was very embarrassed, because you can buy a car for a man, but that man didn't do anything in your life. He can go to do something to buy flowers, presents to another woman. That shows that Media Wongs doesn't love DJ Sihle. So women will learn a lesson. Don't force a relationship when a man doesn't love you, or you are the one who contribute much money on your relationship. DJ Sihle, she was contributing out of love. She was doing because she loved Media Wongs. That's why she decided to buy a car for Media Wongs. But she doesn't know that Media Wongs can embarrass her like AKA. AKA was worse because AKA was dating those friends, Bonang, Nadia Nakai are public figures. Imagine. And AKA doesn't care, and he was coming on public and with those girlfriends than with DJ Sihle. AKA was not comfortable to be with DJ Sihle on cameras most of the. But with Nadia Nakai, he was comfortable. They were doing content together, cooking everything. Imagine. But with DJ Sihle was forcing AKA to have videos, and AKA was not comfortable on that. So she learned a lesson. You know that sometimes it's not about a person you can have like all the sides. You can have got good luck to have got a lot of money, but at other side you don't have good luck for in relationships, like Makumalo. Like what I saw, women who have got a lot of money, they don't have luck in it comes to relationships. What I saw, But I love the way she responds to people, that she is a human being. Yes, there is a lot of problems. Guys, people, we have got the same problem because DJ Sihle is a public figure. That's the different. We're starting judging what. But people were facing more problems like than DJ Sihle's problems.